Hello, artists. Today we are going to be talking about using an accordion fold to make something pop out of our papers. Today I was actually working on making this pop-up book. So what I'm going to need for this is I'm going to need some paper, and I cut it into a little strip. It was just kind of like leftover paper. And then whatever it is I want to pop out. Since I was making this card about an apple, I thought I would add an orange and maybe a lime. Or I can place them anywhere I want. I could add lots of things, right? Or I could even place them on the bottom. So to make this, first things first, I've got this little strip, and I'm going to fold it just a little, kind of like a square towards me. Then I fold it away from me. And when I fold it away from me, see, I'm bending it so it's kind of at the same height of this one, right? And I squeeze it. Now look at it. I'm going to fold it towards me now. Do you see what I did there? I just flipped it. And sometimes, my friends, that works awesome if you get used to flipping it. So I could flip it, fold it towards me. I think that's about where I want my pop-up to be, about that big. So now what I'm going to do, it's closed. I'm going to trim it. Actually, I call this my boing boing because it goes boing, boing, boing. Okay, fine. So what I'm going to do now is I take just a little spot of glue. I'm just using my finger because why not? And I can stick on the back of my lime in this case. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, remember, just a little dot because we don't want to have a lot of glue sticking out. I'm going to add just a little dot on the bottom here. Notice this is the same color as my paper. It kind of hides it. So now, when I put it down, it boings. Another thing I can do, if I'm going to try it again, fold it towards me, fold it back, fold it towards me, fold it back. Now, I'm going to trim it. This time, I'm going to show you a little something. This is the way it should look. If you're folding and it starts to look like this, then, my friends, you just folded it around itself and there's no bowing. So we really want to make sure that we get that right. Okay? So there you have it, accordion fold.